Hey people, it's me, Kira. So today I'm going to be doing a Christmas room tour of my bedroom that is Christmassy. So let's get on to the video. So as you walk into my room, this is like the overview that you would get. So to the left is my Christmas tree, and the theme is white and gold, and I got a gold star on the top. Got a few pictures behind that. So I got a map with then like flags of where I want to go. Then I've got some photos here. Then I've got a little thing there. Then I've got a photo frame that says Jingle All the Way, which is white and gold, because my colour theme of my room is white and gold. On to my first Alex Nigel. I'm not going to be doing a proper vanity tour, but if you would like that, please let me know down in the comment description. 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 So I've got like a rose gold pineapple, and then I've got this little snowy sparkly Christmas tree. Then I've got this little white and gold unicorn that has my Pandora bracelets and blue tack apparently, and whatever this is, thingy things, you know, earrings. This is my coaster, believe it or not. And then this set of Alex Nigels is for like all my school stuff. This is my desk. So I've got like my planned week for the new week ahead, some stationery bits, a mirror, and then like lights either side. Above that I have this like shelving where I have a unicorn, a Zoella candle, another pineapple, Christmas little sunglasses, a thing from Paris, and I think I got this for my birthday at some point. Around the edges of this, as you can see, I have these copper wired lights, which are new, and they will be here all year round, not just for Christmas. So on the shelves there are 3 sections, and I've had to cover some faces of some people of my photos, but I have this little best friend photo frame with me and Freya when we were younger. This is like all my memory cards. This is a book, believe it or not. This little jar here is usually filled up with loads of chocolates, but I need to go and get some more new ones. This is me and my cousin Bethany, who you have seen in multiple videos, and I've just realised it's December. Yay! It's the season to be jolly. And then I've got this little scented candle. It's a Christmas scent. I don't know which one it is. I don't really know, but it's a scented one and it's really nice. And then here I've got all my books for school and another photo frame, but these people would not like to be seen. Next to that I've got another little photo frame, and actually, like, I know these are the photos that come with the photo frame, but I really liked them, so I'm just going to keep it like that. And this is my makeup Alex 9 drawers, which you would have seen in my makeup collection, and now on top I have this little gold candle. It's like white at the bottom like snow, and then it's the little Christmas tree, it's gold, but this was like one of those ones that you don't light. My TV remote control. Next to that I've got my TV, which is on the wall, not focusing. Got like a skybox and like, what is that called? Selfie stick. And then I've got my tripod down there. Just next to my TV I've got this thing that like dangles down, and it's copper little photo frames. They're not all filled up yet. I don't think this one's filled, I don't really know. Yeah, so this is me and Freya. Again, I've blocked the people that don't want to be seen. Next to that I've got my window, and above that I have this gold velvet blind, and two little Christmas headbands. At the moment I've got snowflakes on my window, but I don't usually have them there. Then I've got some Christmas candles, and then I've got these 3 little Christmas lights, which is a Christmas tree, a star, and a Santa. And then I've got a gold star, which is a candle holder. Then I have my radiator just below there. Over to the right of that, I have like my bedside table thingy with a lava lamp, my clock, my wireless charger for my phone and Apple Watch. This little, I don't really know what it is, but it's really nice, and there's like lights inside and it's gold and it's just really nice. And then I've got a little globe with a little reindeer, and then I've got this which has like loads of USB points and you just tap it shut. And I've got the cover card. This is a feature wall where I have this wallpaper, but I do want to get new wallpaper just because I don't really like it anymore, and I've had this one for like 5 years, so. And I also have lights dangling down which are there all year round. And then my bed. So I have a small double bed. That's why there's like 2 pillows, just thinking like how actually messy that is. I got my Christmas jumper. And yeah, so more gold. To the right of that I have a, I don't really know what to explain. I don't really know what it is. Like a jewellery cabinet, like a freestanding jewellery cabinet, with my little mustard hat on. 2 bags. I've got this bag and a River Island bag. And in there is like all my jewellery. And then to the right of that, these are actually like new to my room, they're a couple months old now. But I've got these massive like wardrobes. So on my left side of my wardrobes, it's like all my jumpers and coats and shoes. And at the top is Christmas presents, but I'm not going to show you that. And then this one is all my daily clothes. Oh, and at the back of my door is a dressing gown or onesie and one of these mermaid blanket things. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry it's quite a short video, but yeah, but if you do have any Christmas video ideas, please let me know and comment them down in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit the big red subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.